Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create beautiful personalized greeting cards using Canva in 2025 step by step. Whether it's for a birthday, holiday, wedding or any special occasion, Canva makes designing greeting cards fun and super easy. Let's jump right in. First of all, head to canva.com and sign up or log in. Canva is free, but if you want access more features, you can upgrade to Canva Pro. Once you are logged in, you will land on your Canva dashboard. From here you can create and store all your design. To start, click create a design in the top right or left corner, then search for greeting card. Greeting cards are in the search bar, then enter. Canva will show um, you a variety of template size. You can also go to templates from here, then search greeting card, greeting or birthday greeting, then select one. Most greeting cards are 5 into 7 inches, but you can adjust dimensions later if needed. Click on greeting card to get started with a blank template, or select one of the pre-designed templates to make things quicker. Canva offers a wide range of greeting card templates for every occasion. You will find categories like birthday card, holiday cards, thank you cards, wedding invitations. Select the template you like and you will be taken to the editor where you can start customizing. Then select this option, customize this template. Now uh, click on any text box to change the wording. You can mention your sweetheart. You can adjust the font style from here, font style, text style, sizes like here, then color, then effects, animations if you want, like that. Cool. Make it personal, change happy birthday to something special or add the recipient's name here and animate it, or it's best for that. You can add image from here, select delete or animate it from here, but take Ctrl Z for undo. Want to add your own touch? Canva lets you upload your own photos. Just click on uploads, then select your photos, if then upload, then choose your photo from your desktop, then drag and drop here your images into the design. Canva also has a huge library of elements, illustrations, search for gifts, balloons, flowers, etc. Go to elements, search balloons like that, and drag and drop, and you can adjust from here and That's it. Icons. Add a cute heart of or star to cart. Search heart. Then you will use from here. You also add a page. You can also add a page from here. Click add page, and you can also upload an image. Set as your background. Just go to uploads, choose your file, and stress it to cover the entire background. Adjust opacity for a more subtle effect. Make the card truly personal by adding messages or quotes like that. Add a heartfelt message, a quiet, or even a funny note. You can also include important dates like the recipient's birthday, wedding date, or anniversary. Feel free to adjust the font to match the theme. Use elegant fonts for weddings or bold ones for a playful birthday card. Now let's make it even more eye-catching. Click on text or images and use the effects button, then on the top toolbar to apply effects like shadows, lift, then for a sleek modern feel, use the lift effect to make your text stand out against the background. If you want to add some movement to your card, try the animation features from animate tab. You can animate the text or images or even apply smooth animation to the entire card. It's perfect for digital greeting cards that you plan to share online. Once you are happy with your design, preview it by clicking present, then close. This allows you to see how the card looks in full screen mode. Check for any elements that may be misaligned or any spelling errors. Make sure the text is clear and readable. You can adjust the size or position of any element simply by dragging around. If you are using animations, ensure they flow smoothly like that. Finally, click on share for download, then click download button, then choose MP4 or zip, then select download button, and that's it. You have just created a beautiful personalized greeting card in Canva 2025. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, comment any questions if you have below, and subscribe for more Canva and design tutorials. Thanks for watching.